Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to skip the Endo warehouse easily without using a glitch. Now, if you remember, there were two ways of getting a security badge. Now, one of them was the prize counter, and one of them was the loading dock. So I went to the prize counter. So the option to skip the Endo warehouse would be collecting the security badge from the loading dock. And if you did the loading dock, then go to the prize counter. That'll be an easy way of getting a free security badge without having to do a very complicated glitch to skip all of these guys. Unless you really wanted to play the main game and get an extra security badge. You can also do that, but that was a way to do it without having to glitch your game out or anything. And I hope that helped you. I've also got another glitch to help you skip the Roxy boss fights in Roxy's Raceway. So you can also check that out if you're interested in that sort of stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.